Well, good Sunday afternoon. Is it Sunday afternoon yet? Yes, it is. It's 12:05 on Sunday. This is a Sunday vlog. Today we are relaxing, not at home. We are relaxing at our pool here at our residence. Uh, Sitting around here trying to keep cool. Last 2 days it's been hot. Friday night we went, wife got off work at midnight. We went all night fishing. It was fun. Caught some bluegill, bass. Nothing to write home about, um, but it was a fun time. Carmen loved it. I'll tell you that child, I don't know where she gets her energy. Most children will conk out, okay, after, a while. Carmen took a nap Friday afternoon for, I think, 30 minutes, okay? That was her length of her nap on Friday afternoon. So she got up from her nap, and she literally ran, until 5 o'clock the next morning on Saturday. And I thought she'd fall asleep in the car, and she did just about 10 minutes from our home. She finally fell asleep. And then she got home, got a shower, and she just had so much fun that night. And it was a great night fishing. The moon was out. It was perfect. It wasn't cold. It was not too hot. It was just perfect. So that's been our weekend. We're going to go fishing this morning. Get up early, and I was still really tired and wore out from Saturday or Friday night fishing, and I was hurting really bad. So I was like, well, let's stay home tomorrow or today, Sunday, and just relax. And so that's what we're doing. We're just going to sit around here and do some enjoyment at the pool for probably the last time. I don't think we probably will come up here again. This is our first time up here this year. We just don't really like coming up here. I don't know. It's a beautiful pool. I'll show you here. The girls are swimming here in a minute. So I would say this would probably be our last hoorah for the summer as far as swimming. So that's pretty much it for Sunday. Monday, you'll get back into the routine of things, and next Saturday we probably are going to go Saturday night fishing. So anyone who watches this who lives in the Columbus, Ohio area and knows a good fishing spot, let us know. I'm always up for a new spot. We might go Saturday morning. I think that's what we'll do, is we'll probably get up Saturday morning around 4 and then go fishing all day until it gets too hot or whatever. That's the problem right now with the heat index. It's just so hot. I mean, it might be 80 degrees, but it feels more like, I think they said 95. Humidity here in Ohio, of course, is 100%. So that doesn't help anything. So you're constantly sweating. So let me swing you around here to the girls. Whoa. There are the girls. Carmen loves swimming. Yeah, like I said, it's a nice pool. We just don't really like to come up here too much. But right now we got the pool to ourselves, so it's kind of nice. Usually when you get the teenagers and the other kids involved, they start jumping around and causing havoc. That's a beautiful place here. We love it here. Would I say I'm going to miss it? Yeah, I'm going to miss it a little bit next year when we move. But I'm ready to get a house. I'm ready to have our own place and sit out on our own back porch and not have to worry about neighbors and above us, and just our own little private. We need our own home. So we'll be ready for that next year. Hi, Mama.
Hello.
You're not supposed to drink the water, you're supposed to swim in it, Carmen. You silly monkey. There's the fishy fish. Baby shark. Water is beautiful. I know I'll be getting in here in a few minutes. So, anyways, I'll swing this back around here, finish this out. So I hope everyone's having a blessed weekend. I hope you're all being safe with whatever you're doing. You know, use caution if you're outside, especially if you're in the heat like I am. You know, make sure you drink plenty of water. Make sure you know. We're going to do some evening fishing over here at this pond. I've caught a couple bass out of here. Take you over here real quick. I guess I should have said this. Tonight after dinner, we're going to go over here. Look at that. Can't beat that. Fishing right out your back door. Now over there is the other. That right there leads to our apartment. That apartment right back there. So we can just literally step out our back door and go fishing. So, yeah. So yeah, we're gonna do some evening fishing maybe tonight. We'll just see. I'm still feeling the pain. Of course, when you fibromyalgia, you just can't escape it. And yeah. So, anyways, I hope you're all having a blessed weekend. Be safe, whatever you're doing. If you're out in the water, use cautious. You know, especially if you're doing lake swimming or anything like that. You know, watch your children. You know the rules. Enjoy these last days of summer, you know, because it's closing out fast. This week coming up is the first first day of fall. We'll actually be in fall time. Can you believe that? We'll be heading into fall. It just feels like yesterday was, I don't know, May, June, and here we are already. So, alrighty, everyone. As we say around this homestead, we love you, but Jesus loves you more. God bless each one of you. Have a very blessed week. And I'll see you on Wednesday for uplifting message on midweek. All right. Talk to you guys soon.
I am going fishing in my favorite hole. I grab my tackle box and my favorite fishing pole. But when I get to the spot, I will cast a line, and hopefully I catch a big ass fish this time. A big ass fish this time. A big ass fish this time.